Now, so let's continue. Taking it again, we have P equal to 2L plus W. You don't even need to use the 2 to multiply everything. What you just have to do is divide both sides by 2. So P over 2 equal to 2 into L plus W over 2. So 2 here 1, 2 here 1. That will be P over 2 equal to L plus W. It does not end here. After then, you will have, you must allow this L to stand alone. So this W will come here, changing this plus sign to minus sign. That will be P over 2 minus W equal to L. So L equal to P, L equal to, let me write very well, L equal to P over 2 minus W. So this topic is very simple if you listen attentively. Now we have subject appearing in the fraction. Subject appearing in a fraction. Like let's say like this one now, V equal to U plus 80. Right? V equal to U plus 80. You have to make T the subject of the formula. Before V is subject of the formula, but they ask you to make T the subject of the formula. They want to collect the truth from V, right? So what do you want to do now? You must bring this V, you must bring this U to where V is. This place now is plus sign. It's invisible, so it's plus sign. Bringing this U to V, this plus sign is saying we change to minus sign. That will be V equal to V minus U equal to 80. You must still make this T stand alone, so it will turn to division. That will be V minus U over A equal to T. Do you understand? Perfect. If you understand, that's so good of you. Now let's go to subject in the denominator. Subject in the denominator. Now we have, take for example, we have y equal to a over x. We want to make x the subject of a formula. We'll do what? Cross multiply. This one is over 1, right? So we have this one multiplied by this one. That will be xy equal to a multiplied by 1, a. It's x that they ask you to make as the subject of formula. So here, what are you going to do? You must make this x stand alone, so it will turn to division. That will be x equal to a is this one at this side that will come first, a over y. Do you understand? Right, subject under a square root. When we have y equal to, I'm giving you all these examples so you not miss any part. If you have y equals to square root of x, as according to the law of indices, if you have something like this, it can also equate to either y equal to x half raised to power half, or y square equal to x, either of the two. So but I will recommend you to use this one mostly. So if you have seen that if you have seen a question like y equal to square root of x, you know that the answer is y square equal to x. Do you understand me? Now when they ask you to change the subject of a formula by using a formula like this one now, a equal to pi r square, like what I taught you in area of a plane square. This formula is for which square? Is for the circle, right? The area of a circle is this. So if they ask you to make r the subject of a formula, that will be this that will be division, because we must make this r square stand out. That will now be stand alone. So that will be a over pi equal to r square. That does not, it did not finish like that too. It still remain. So if you have gotten your answer to this place, you must now make sure that you if you have something like this, if you have one side to be r square and the other side left like that, you must put a square root at the other side. So that will not be, after putting the square root, this r square will cancel, it remain only r. Now be r equal to square root of a over pi. Do you understand? If you understand, that's very great of you. Let's look at formula with several terms. If we have p equal to 2l plus 2w, and they ask you to make l subject of the formula, what are you going to do? You divide the both of them by 2, because you see that it's 2 that is in common, so you write 2 into l plus w. Do you understand? After then, you divide both sides by 2 over 2 over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 1. That will be p equal to l plus w. You must make this l stand alone, so this w will come here. You need this plus sign to what? Minus sign. That will be l equal to p minus wait. Yes, l equal to p minus w. This is the answer. It's also the same as this answer. Do you get? It's also the same as this answer, just that they did not divide their own by 2. If they divide their own by 2, you will notice that there is a mix-up somewhere. The answer is supposed to be p minus w over 2. So you notice that if they divide their own by 2, you will see that they are going to get the same answer that we got. So we are going to get it. Now let's look at another examination example. If they give us y equal to 3x plus 5 over 2, let's cross multiply. Cross multiplying means that this one is over 1, so y times 2 equal to 2y, right, equal to 3x plus 5. So what again? They ask you to make x subject of the formula, so you must make this 3x stand alone. So this one will come here. That will be 2y minus 5 equal to 3x. Then we must make this x stand alone. That will be 2y minus 5 over 3 equal to x. So this is the answer. This is 5. The answer. So the important step to remember when treating subject of the formula, when changing the subject of the formula, identify the new subjects, remove addition or subtraction first, remove multiplication or division next, then deal with the brackets carefully. If the subject are squares, use the square roots as I've taught you. If the subject is under a square root, square both sides as I've taught you. Always perform the same operation on both sides as I've taught you. Do you understand? So do this for me, then to see if you got what I'm talking about. Thank you. Have a nice time.